and we are using today the column addition to add pairs of 4-digit numbers. So it's another version of using the column method today. So the first learning reminder is showing you two examples, two ways which you can use the column method to add numbers. So the first is the expanded method and the second is the compact method, which we've been using mostly this week. Just to go through the expanded method, if this is our number sentence here, 2,454 add 1,327, the expanded method partitions each of the numbers into their ones, tens, 100s and thousands like this, and is set out in this way. There is then a space that is left between the equal sign for you to have any tens, hundreds or thousands that you are carrying over. So for an example, this one here. The compact method, you obviously get the same answers, is one that we're more used to in school. If you'd feel more confident having a go at using the expanded method for all of the questions in today's lesson, that is absolutely fine. If you would prefer to use the compact method, that is also fine. So we've got this number sentence here, 2,458 add 1,377. This is what it would look like using the expanded method. I'm going to go through, I'm going to just hide that for the moment. I'm going to go through what it would look like using the compact method. So 2,458 add 1,377. As always, when using the column method, you need to make sure that your digits are perfectly lined up in the correct place value. So then we start. 8 add 7 is 15. So I carry my tens and I pop my 5 in the ones column directly underneath. Then I move on to my tens column. So it's 50 add 70. Which is 120. Adding a 10 makes 130. So I carry over the hundreds. Then we have 400 add 300, which is 700. Add my 100 here, which means 800. And then I have 2,000 add 1,000, which is 3,000. Brilliant. That is the same there. And that is the same there. We are on track. Okay, this is another example of just two different number sentences one using the expanded method and one using the compact method. Let's have a go at this one to see if we get the same answer but using the compact method. So 2,451 add 1,827. Again, they're all beautifully lined up, starting with the ones. 1 add 7 is 8, nothing to carry over there. For the tens column, 50 add 20 is 70. For the hundreds column, 400 add 800 is 1,200. So we carry a 1,000, 1,200. And then 2,000 add 1,000, 3,000. Add my extra one is 4,000. Hurrah! We've got the same answer. That's always good news. Okay, so your challenge today, you've got some 4-digit by 4-digit addition number sentences to solve. Little trick on this one is watch out for any additions that can be solved mentally. There might be some that you can solve without having to use the column method. But the majority of them will need you to use the column method. I reckon quite a few of you might be able to get both of these done, if not just choose one of them. Then we have the answer sheets for you to self-mark. If you're finding it a little bit tricky, have a go at digit twist with an adult. And then finally, you have an investigation involving digit sums. So it's using these digits, first of all, to make a 4-digit number. Then you're reversing the digits or in the order that you've chosen to make your compact column addition. Then you need to find the digital root that we've done a couple of times now of the answer. Then you're repeating using the same digits to make a different number to see if you get a similar or different digital root. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy today's lesson.